Hey guys, it's me Meghna Joshi. So today I'm going to show you my gift, which in one video, one gift. So let's start. So first I have is the concealer, then BB cream, then eyeliner, Peplus prime, 4 liquid lipsticks, 3 bullet lipsticks, and 1 kajal. This is a one lipstick, liquid lipstick. This is one primer, face primer. This is a makeup brush. This is the sponge. This is the makeup fixer. Sorry, makeup setting spray. This is the foundation. This is the eyelashes. This is the oval brush. This is the kajal. This is. So guys, the second gift is this hamper. This is given by my uncle and my auntie and aunt. In Hindi, I call her Chacha and Chachi. And so there are some chocolates on top like Kit Kat, Dairy Milk, and jellies. And in the last, there are chips, and there are Lays, Choco Flakes, Lays, this one, then plain one, yeah, and the Lays and the waffles. So yeah, that much are the second gift. So you will see the third one in my Josh only, and in I will upload. Then you will see. So bye bye. It's me, Meghna Joshi. So, welcome back to the part 3 video. So in Josh only, this is the bonbon chocolate which I have which my cousin sister has gave me in my birthday. So yeah, so this is the bonbon chocolate, and it is there is written that milky choco with dark chocolate cream and crisp rice, and this is a very nice chocolate. I love it. So thank you my uncle and auntie, my chachi, my sister, my father, my mother. So much thank you for that. And then we are gonna meet in the next part 4, which is gonna be very much exciting. So yeah, bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 4. So I'm going to unbox my 4 celebrations which I have got from my relatives and friends. So the first is this. The second one is this. I think I have this one I have got from my friend, and this one also I have got from my friend, and this one I have got from my relative, and this one I have got from my bua. Yes. So that much for this video. So now bye bye, and I'm gonna meet with you part 5. So yeah, bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 5. So to now I'm gonna open my my chachu gift or the uncle gift. So this gift he have give me. So first is there is the kajal. Ouch. There is the kajal, which is good. Then in it there is sponges, which I'm very much excited. Sponges, I'm doing first. Then there is the lipstick, which are the Fab 5. I will review it. So the next is the brushes. Then there is this eyeshadow palette or makeup kit. Then the last but not the least is this eyeliner. So bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 6. So this gift I have got from Sadhu Bhaiya. So first is it is tipped paper pencils, drawing book, chalk, sharpener, scale, oil pastels, wax crayons, sketch pens, plastic crayons, then the eraser plus sharpener, then color pencils, and yeah, that much, but it is super good. So bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 7 of gift unboxing. So now I'm gonna unbox this. So let's see what is here in this. So guys, here is the gift. So guys, it is super nice for me, and I don't know from whom I have got, but yeah, thank you who has given me. So yeah, that was the part 7. Now we are gonna meet in part 8. Hey guys, welcome to part 8. So I have got this gift. I don't know who has given the gift. So that's why. So this is a gift. Oh, Caesar. I'm opening that. I want to boom. So guys, in that I have got the chocolates, which are a very nice thing for me. So yeah. उधर पे रख दो तो. So yeah, so I'm very much happy. I love the gift. So yeah, and we are gonna meet in part 9. So bye. So guys, welcome to part 9. So I have got this from Gunja Didi and Payal Didi. So let's see. There was a Kinder Joy. I have ate it. So yeah. So I got back. It's so cute. It's so huge, and it's super nice. I love the color. By the way, guys, and these are so nice. You can carry like this out. Like, this is a transparent, like this, and you can carry this also. And I just like it. And it's have so. Oh wow! It's so nice. I'm so excited. So I love it. So yeah, we are gonna meet in part 10. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 10. So we have with us this one, which is excited. I have got this from my tuition teacher Rita ma'am. So let's see. I'm excited. I'm quite excited for it. So it is compass box. I'm gonna open it. What is inside? So guys, it is like this, and it have a lot of things. This my ma'am has given gift to me. So yeah, that much only for the part 10. Now we are gonna meet in part 11, which is which I am 11 years old now, and part 11. So yes, I'm very much excited. So guys, welcome back to part 11. So this is the part 11. So let's open it, and I'm very much excited. I don't know who have given me, like always. So let's open. What is this? So guys, I've got this. I'm so excited. I have a lot of makeup brushes. Like, I'm so excited. So this is brushes. I don't know who has given me. So let's see. I'm very much happy. I have a lot of brushes. So yeah, that much only for the video. And now this is part 11. Next will be part 12. So I'm very much excited. Hey guys, welcome to part 12. So I have got this gift from Dipu Auntie and Diksha Didi. This one. First, I have got this pouch, which is so nice. I love it. And then in it, I have got some necklace, ear tops, and a ring, which is super cute. And I have got a top. Top. It is super nice for winter and summer, because it's full sleeve in winter we need, and in summer we need cotton, so it is very nice. Yeah, I love it. So what is the next thing? Let me see. But stop, there are a lot of things, but I'm going to show you in the next video, part 13. So bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 13 guys. So now what I have with me is the which I don't know, I think it is tiffin. It has been packed, so let's open it. Boom. Guys, I have got a milk bug. Sorry, I was wrong. I was guessed wrong. It is not tiffin, it is a mug. So yeah, I don't know who has give it. So yeah, so now bye bye, and we are gonna meet in part 14. Bye bye. Mwah. Hey guys, we are in part 14. Sorry, in the last video I have told part 15. Sorry guys, it's my mistake, but it's okay. Now we are moving into the next, which is here. Here is a thing. I think Pooja Mathur has given it. Yes, I think, and it's this chocolates. Now we are going to open. Now, boom. Guys, I have got this. It's so cute. I love him. I love the tiffin box. So yeah, I have got this for Pooja Mathur and I love it. So now bye bye, and we are gonna meet in part 15. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome back to part 15. So we have with us is this pouch. I don't know who has give it, but I think it is celebration again. I think so. It have 2 chocolates. Let's open it. Again, celebration. So guys, someone has given this. Thank you so much. I don't know who has given it, but it's okay. I love it because we have a lot of celebrations I can share. I have with my sister, my younger sister, my cousin sister. Oh my god, and thing. So yeah, that was my part 15. Now we are gonna meet in part 16. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 16. So this is given by my friend, which is Devrashruti. I love. First she has given a chaps, which is the Mad Angles, of course, and then she has given this cute hairpins, which are so nice, bows. Then this is a box. I know. Opening that, I'm going to show you. Boom! Devshruti has given me this box, which has a pen pencil, which is so nice. Then second is this. I want to open it. Boom! So guys, Devshruti has given this. I was thinking it is eyeshadow palette, but it's okay. This is a vase. I love it. See? And yeah, that much. Okay. Wow, it's so pretty. Love it. Okay, now bye-bye. Meet in part 17. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 17, and I don't know who has given this. Always like it. So always like that only. So let's open it. I think it is good. So I'm gonna open it. Boom. So guys, I have got this. I don't know who has given it, but it is so lovely. It is a mess. I love it. So cute doll it is. I love it. So yeah, it was part 17. Now we are gonna now in the next video I'm gonna open the part 18. Part 18. So yeah, now bye bye. Welcome back to part 18, which is this gift which my Swastik Bhaiya has given. So let's open it. And I'm gonna open it and I can boom. Swastik Bhaiya has given me this. This is a lot of box. So excited. So I'm not gonna open it because it's still packed. So yeah, and it was very nice. It was very nice. So yeah. And if you like the part 18, please like it, and please like all the videos. And the last one I'm gonna open it, which will be in part 19. So boom, bye.